Hi, this is Artin Behdad, and in this presentation, I'm gonna tell you how price moves in Forex market and which elements change before price changes. The first element is all the decisions that come to the market or exit from the market in a moment. You know, in every moment, there are a lot of retail traders, hedge funds, fund managers, major banks, all institutions that are trade. Everyone who thinks price goes up, try to trade buy. Everyone thinks price goes down, try to sell in different lot size, in different time frame, okay? And summation of all those decisions makes impact in the market. The next thing is volume. You know, in Forex market, we don't have access to volume, but it exists. You know, we don't have access to it, we can't use it, but it exists. The volume causes change in speed of momentum. And when a speed of momentum changes, then momentum changes itself and eventually price will change. Okay? So, the first thing, with all those decisions, we don't have access to this information, and if we do, we can't still use it in our trading. Second thing, volume. You know, we don't have access to volume in Forex market. If we were trading other markets like stock market, we could use volume and it was very important. But in Forex, we can't use it. The next thing is speed of momentum. There are some indicators like accelerator oscillator that shows a speed of momentum, but I don't recommend to use it because it changes a lot. You know, every time momentum wants to reduce its speed, it gives you a signal, and a lot of the signal is fake. So I don't recommend to use speed of momentum oscillators. The next thing is momentum itself. Momentum changes before price change. Okay? It's very important. I recommend you to use momentum in your strategy. If you use it in a proper time, with proper setting, it can assist you a lot. There are a lot of good indicators that show you momentum, like RSI, stochastic, DT oscillator, MACD, awesome oscillator. All of them is good, and you can use it in your trading system. Okay? And eventually the last thing is price. Okay? That's it.